how to hide Instagram post from someone. So if you want to hide your Instagram post from someone, then first of all you need to open up your Instagram application, and then you can go for the bottom right, which has that profile icon, and then go for the upper right, which has that three barred icon, and go for settings and privacy, and then scroll down and go for account privacy. And here you have to turn your account to a private account. Tap on that private, and then for now I have a business account and my account can be private. So if you don't have a business account, then you have to keep your account private so that your post will not be visible to anyone. So if they follow you, then only they can see your post, but if they don't follow you, then they can't view your post and all that. So if you want to hide your post, we don't have any other option. You have to simply turn your account to a private account, and then your post will be hidden. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.